A lot of times when starting your dreads yourself, you can make rookie mistakes, whether your dreads be too thin, too thick, they don't look the way you want them to, so you have to start them over. So today, I'm gonna tell you guys why I started my dreadlocks over. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Trey Smith, your host of Let It Marinate, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Hey, real quick, if you are new to this channel, go on and hit that like button and then hit that subscribe button right next to it. And we're going to keep the ball rolling. Every Tuesday, we dropping bangers. So come join the family and I'll see you guys on the other side. The reason I started my dreads over is because they wasn't thick enough. I wanted my dreads to be thick. Like I've stated in my previous videos, I like that Lenny Kravitz, Bob Marley style look, you know what I mean? And don't get me wrong, the set that I started out with, they were gonna be fire anyway. There was a lot more. I think I probably had like 42. And I started it with the curl sponge method like I've shown y'all in the other videos. And that's a perfect way to start your dreads, you know what I mean? If you're just starting out, starter locks, and you don't really care about the size, you know, get you a curl sponge, get you a dry towel, do the towel rub method, comb coil, any of that stuff works. But me personally, I was like, man, this is cool, but I kind of wanted my dreads to be a little thicker and just wanted that different, unique style. You know, I don't really see that many thick dreads walking around here. It's usually like medium to thin dreads, and people have anywhere from like 42 to like 200 plus dreads in their hair. And I was like, that's a cool style. I'm not knocking it for everybody who has that amount and, you know, thickness of dreads. That's cool. But me personally, I want it to be unique. Like I said, I wanted to have thick dreads. Now, when it came to the quantity, I really didn't care. I just wanted them to look good and, you know, spaced out enough. That way it fit what I was going after. But yeah, you guys, I got 20 dreads like I've stated in my other videos. Go check those out. And I am a fan of it. I love my locks, you know what I mean? I had my wife start them for me. And I know a lot of you all that's doing it by yourself, you know, you're wondering like, how can I get the thick locks? How can I do it myself? It's easy. Just follow the tutorials that I've put out, and anybody else that has locks, just do it yourself and style it the way you want. I had my wife start me out a while back from my original set that I started with the curl sponge, and she just took sections, you know what I mean? She spaced them out evenly and sectioned them off and, you know, did a thing, and they turned out good. And I started growing them from like nubs. I had to wear hats, bandanas, all that stuff like that just to try to dress it up a little bit so it didn't look too crazy. But now it's at a length to where I can rock it like this. I can put a bandana on. I can almost do whatever I want. It's just not long enough to put it in a ponytail yet because it's so thick. And I can't really do any braid styles yet because my hair is so thick, but I might be able to. It's kind of long, so if I found a loctician or something like that that could braid my hair up with the locks like this thick, then I'll probably give that a try maybe in the future, so stay tuned for that. But to be honest, I really don't need any of that. Like, I love my locks the way they are, and they're spaced out just enough so whenever that thickness come in, keep in mind I'm only 7 months in. So look, and I started out with waves. That's crazy. So from waves to locks like this, 7 months, they're this thick and they're this long. And I had waves. You see what I'm saying? So my hair grows fast. And I have other videos and tutorials on how to get your hair to grow fast. And more are coming out soon. I told y'all about the biotin products and washing your hair and doing all that stuff like that. So make sure y'all go watch those other videos and y'all be all caught up, ready to grow y'all hair just like this. And hair texture plays a part in it, and the way you take care of your hair plays a part in it, and all that other stuff that I talk about. So go check that stuff out. But yeah, guys, ever since I seen dreadlocks, I always wanted them. I just didn't know what style or how they would look on me. And when I seen my first set of thick locks, I was like, man, that is the style. That's the look I'm going for, right? I think it's because it had that lion, like, kingly look. And I was like, man, people with thick locks, man, that is dope. But I like all locks though. Don't get me wrong. Thin, you know, small, 200 count, 40, 50, 100 count. You know what I mean? All locks are beautiful. But something about the thick locks that just take up the whole head. I don't know. I just like that stuff. And since I figured out the instructions on how to get locks from my old set, I was like, hey, I'll just start it all over completely. I picked out all my hair. I'm gonna show y'all a picture. It's crazy. Yes, I picked out all my hair, and I had my wife section everything out and make them as thick as I wanted and space out like I wanted. And I had no idea about the amount that I was gonna end up with. I just told her, hey, keep going, keep sectioning until you run out of hair. And that's what she did, and I ended up with 20 locks. And I think when it's all said and done and they're fully mature, I think they're gonna be off the chain. You know, they already starting to show themselves like off the chain. So comment down below if you like thick locks or what's your preference. Comment down below what you think about mine. You know what I mean? That's what they look like. You see what I'm saying? 20 locks. Comment down below, let me know what's up. Tell me when you started your journey, and if you're thinking about starting over on your locks, or if you have started over on your locks. Comment down below, let me know how long it's been since you started over until now. But yeah, you guys, that's the video. Just a little story update on my locks, something that you probably didn't know about. And like I said, this is what my locks used to look like, and this is what they look like right now, and I'm happy with it. You know what I'm saying? Thick locks, for me, is the way to go. Love it. But anyway, guys, it's your boy Trey Smith, your host of Let It Marinate, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.